Yo YouTube, what up? Just broke a box of 2010 Topps 206. Gonna do a little recap for you. So first I'm gonna start off some minis that I got. Got a Jason Heyward rookie card mini. That is Old Mill back. Also Henry Mejia mini rookie card. Scott Kazmir rookie card. Scott Kazmir mini, not rookie card. That's cycle numbered out of 99. Wade Davis mini rookie card. That is Polar Bear. And Delman Young mini. That is Polar Bear. So on to the other cards. We got a lot of rookies. We got a Jason Heyward rookie, Austin Jackson rookie, Mike Leake rookie, Brian Anderson rookie, Daniel McCutchen rookie, and Drew Stubbs rookie. Also, I got pulled Strasburg rookie short print. You see it's a blank back, and also a regular Strasburg rookie. 4 short prints I got. Joey Votto, see with the hat on, those are always short prints. Gordon Beckham, Joe Mauer, Stephen Drew. And then now we have the 2 hits. They were Ryan Perry autograph on the Tigers and Paul Konerko jersey on the White Sox. So if you want any of these cards, leave a comment below or PM me. Most of them are on eBay right now, so I'm going to give you the link to that below. So I'll get back at you with another video hopefully soon. See ya.